never met before. I am a mom of two and I've been in the beauty industry for over 21 years. And today we are going to talk about acne, okay? And it's gonna be epic, it's gonna be great. I can't wait to share everything I know. I'm a self-proclaimed acne expert because I have been dealing with acne for 44 years of life, nonstop. I've learned how to manage it. I worked with so many clients and learned so many things along the way. So if the tips I give you in this video bless you, be sure to like and subscribe. And let's talk about clearing up your skin.
Hey friends, I'm back and I'm so excited to talk about acne because I have dealt with acne my entire life, which I said in the intro. I've learned how complicated acne is, how nuanced it is. And so I hope that if you are someone watching this, yes, I help teenagers, but I'm speaking to the woman, maybe the man too. I can help men too, but specifically the woman who is sick and tired of getting the same acne solutions and getting the same result. Maybe your face even feels dry and it hurts. Maybe you've been given teen skincare and you're like, I have anti-aging needs too, or I'm dry, or I want to have glass skin. So I just for a minute want you to just close your eyes and imagine that the next time you go to the beach this summer, or the next time you go to the barbecue this summer, and you don't want to wear a lick of makeup, or you want to be like those cool girls who can just throw on a little CC cream and some tinted moisturizer and a little powder and they look amazing, right? Because their skin is clear. Their skin is not only clear, they've worked on their acne scarring. Maybe you've got some of that. I just want you to imagine, because it is April, you have time to make that happen. And I have a link in the description if after what I give you sounds like, we could be a fit and I could help you. I would love to work with you to help your acne and to give you solutions that are going to work for you within your budget. So here's what I want to talk about today with acne. I could probably do an entire series on this, but again, I am speaking to the adult woman who is tired of not knowing how to manage it, right? It's not going away, ladies. It's not going away, okay? I have given it a hug, stopped fighting it. I've learned how to manage it, okay? So the first little thing I'm going to say, and these are kind of my top things that I want to share with you that can really make a difference for you. The first thing is boxed acne systems. Boxed acne systems are for teenagers. You are not a teenager. If you have a teenager like I do, that's great. Then it's for them. I have a 13-year-old boy, and he is currently using our Clear-Proof acne system. This was designed for him, okay? It's got 2 different kinds of acne medicine. The only time I would give an adult woman this entire program is if she was incredibly, ridiculously oily, or had really, really acne-prone skin, in addition to being ridiculously oily. But in my experience, I've learned that a lot of women are not both of those things at the same time. And this can be, boxed acne programs can be too harsh on adult skin, okay? So we might incorporate pieces from this line, but we are not doing the entire system, okay? So boxed acne programs are for teenagers, okay? Just wanna say that out loud because there are so many things on the marketplace trying to tell you that we're going to clear up your skin. It is so nuanced, you guys. You can have oily skin and acne. You can have dry. I have the driest Sahara Desert skin and I have acne. It's so annoying. You could have rosacea and have acne. So many different combinations of what you could have and have acne. I have a helper now. This is fun. So kind of the first step in this process would be determining your acne type. Okay, what type of skin underlying of the acne do you have? Okay, so that would kind of be step one. I'm going to talk more about how that works in a second. Here are just some tips. Okay, so again, acne is not one size fits all. I would stay away from box programs. If you really are serious about clearing up your skin once and for all and keeping it that way, these tips I'm about to give you will help, but it is honestly going to take something customized to your specific skin that treats the underlying skin that's not the skin you're going to have when it's, like if you didn't have acne, this is what your skin would be, right? Is it dry? Is it normal? Is it combination? Is your barrier wrecked? Do you have texture issues? Do you have uneven skin tone? Like what's the underlying stuff? We use products that manage the acne, and then, later down the road, you can work on, clearing up old acne scars, really getting that flawless looking skin. But here are some tips that are just going to help you get started on your acne journey. The first tip, this is the most important thing I can tell any client I've ever worked with, and my teenage son who does not listen to me, is that it is all about consistency and frequency. You have got to do whatever skincare that you are given or purchase twice a day. You've got to do it twice a day. When you have acne prone skin, it is non-negotiable. You have to cleanse your face, moisturize your face, do whatever your program is 2 times a day. It's so funny. We were in Colorado on spring break skiing. We're a big ski family. And my 13-year-old's like, he lifts up, they all have this like poof in the front of their hair right now. I don't know. Mine has a poof. And he lifts his poof and he goes, Mom, what's all this? And it is just like full of like acne and blemishes. And I'm like, dude, did you bring your skincare? He's like, well, no, I didn't bring my skincare. I'm like, well, you've got to do it. You can't like go on vacation. Your skincare needs to come with you on vacation. So that is the biggest thing. It has to be consistent. The second thing is if you are, which you should be wearing some type of foundation. You guys, foundation actually helps clear up your skin because it forms a barrier and keeps all the good stuff in and the bacteria and the junk in the air out. So one thing I'll work with my clients on is my skin is usually glowing and perfect and amazing when I wear foundation consistently versus when I'm kind of like just in mom mode and don't really feel like it. I end up breaking out and having texture and dryness issues. But if you are a makeup wearer, you have got to do what we call a double cleanse, where you take a micellar water to get layer 1 off so that your cleanser that's specifically formulated for whatever your underlying skin is can actually get in your pores and do its thing. The next thing I want to talk about is a really basic tip, but a lot of people skip it. You have got, if you have acne prone skin, it is not negotiable. You must clean all of your brushes frequently. So the company recommends, the company I work with, which is Mary Kay, recommends that if you're using a brush, doing it once a week. I like to switch mine up a little more frequently. So I have multiple brushes because I don't feel like I'm a normal person. I don't feel like cleaning brushes every single week. So I open a couple because I have a discount and I clean them. But it can make a huge difference because, like makeup, it's touched your face. That's all like bacteria. That's all stuff out there that sits in your brushes. So your powder brushes, your blush brushes, any brush that touches your face should be cleaned consistently. And I do have a video, I'll link in the description, of how I recommend cleaning brushes, but it's got to be done somewhat frequently. So if you're like, I haven't cleaned my brushes in 5 years, and no judgment, I get it. It's not anyone's like fun task to be doing, but that is definitely an important thing is cleaning your brushes. The next tip I'm going to give you, this is something kind of in the last 3 years has really made a difference in my skin. And they sell them at Costco. I do not get paid from Costco, but I was so excited when I saw these at Costco because I was buying them on Amazon. So you can also get them on Amazon if you're not near a Costco or whatever, but using some type of disposable washcloth. Now, friends, big difference, big, monumental difference between dry facial towels and makeup removing wipes. I do not often beg on a product, but if there's one thing that I could offer people is to stop using those cheap makeup removing wipes. First of all, most of them are loaded with alcohol, so they dry out your skin. And they don't really remove eye makeup. I've used the ones at the hotel. Okay, this is how I know this, and you really end up scrubbing your eye to get your eye makeup off. There are better ways to remove eye makeup. I don't like alcohol touching my face. So these are just blanks. Okay, they are literally just a blank washcloth that is disposable. So it looks like this. They're dry. They're really nice to travel with. They have a little bit of texture about them. The reason why this is so important, someone told me this probably 8 years ago, and I was like, girl, that is the craziest, silliest thing I've ever heard in my whole life. She was right. Okay, so no matter how much, so like if let's say you're washing your face twice a day because you need to do that, right, to help clear up your skin, you're probably going to use a washcloth one of those times, right? Or a towel is going to touch your face at some point. And the problem is, no matter how good you are at doing laundry, and no matter how good your laundry soap is, and no matter how hot the water you use is, everything in your washcloth doesn't always get out of your washcloth. So there's extra bacteria and just things inside your washcloth that never really leaves your washcloth. And so using these disposable facial towels can make all of the difference. It's also just makes your life easy to travel with. I just, throw a bunch in my bag and I have these at all times. So I use these whenever I'm cleansing my face because, and honestly, this has really helped clear up my skin. I feel like I can rinse it out too and just like go for one more wipe to make sure I'm getting every last something off of my face when I wash my face. One other common mistake I see with acne prone skin is using way too many products and using the wrong products and using products that your skin is not used to yet. So one of the things you'll probably start hearing a lot about is people using way too many actives. Like you're using retinol and you're using a facial peel and you're using a vitamin C serum and you're using a niacinamide. Like too many things at once can exacerbate the problem. And so again, it's being strategic about knowing what to add in and when to add it in. It's not just like slather a bunch of things on your face. There is an order of things and using things for a few weeks. And also, if you are someone who's really wanting to clear up their skin, but maybe your skincare program right now is like a -2. Like you're just like, maybe a little cleanser every now and then, maybe kind of a moisturizer. I don't even know what I'm doing. We're going to need to ease your skin into some of the more elevated ingredients because, again, if we just start putting like really intense things on a face that hasn't done a lot of skincare, it's going to be a recipe for disaster. So again, that is the benefit of working with someone who knows the product, knows the ingredients, knows how these things kind of work. And that we have the ability to tweak things later if we need to. So using too many actives, too many things at once, too many things that aren't compatible, more is not better in this situation. So the other thing I'm really passionate about working with people on is how to get more results using less stuff. My last little tip before I tell you how we can work together is this. I am not a dermatologist, okay? I'm just a girl who has struggled with acne her whole life and has helped so many people clear up their own just through experience. And I have learned that a lot of the sort of baseline products that dermatologists or people recommend are typically just products that are really, really basic. They're like cheese pizza and vanilla ice cream, like Cetaphil or Aquaphor or like CeraVe. There's nothing wrong with those products, but the reason that people recommend them is because it's not necessarily custom to a person. It could work for literally anybody to just like be a gentle daily cleanser and that type of thing. But a lot of times too, they'll add in really harsh acne medicines that can be really extremely drying. I remember I got to a point in my journey where I was given these products and they were so harsh. You know, when your hands get really dry and cracked and they hurt and they can even bleed, my face felt like that. And that's how it was supposed to feel. They said, if it gets like that, that's how it's supposed to work. And I just could not, it was almost suffering. Like your face should not hurt. You should feel good when you put your skincare products on. You should see them making a difference over time. And so, again, it's so important to have something custom if you're really serious about, kind of clearing up your acne. So I want to talk about what working with me could look like. And if you find that it could benefit you and you're not already working with a beauty consultant, if you're already working with a beauty consultant, girl, she's got you. She knows what she's doing. But if you are out here seeing this video and you're like, oh my gosh, like, will you please just help me? Like, help me figure out the products, help me, whatever. Here's what that's going to look like. Okay, so first off, we do a consult together and it's free. Okay, and we either meet over Zoom, we meet over phone, and I'm going to be honest with you if I'm going to be able to, if I think I'm going to be helpful to you in your acne journey or not, right? There are some cases that are extremely extreme that you would need to work with a dermatologist. I'm going to be real with you about that, okay? But I do have a lot of confidence that I can help the majority of people clear up their skin. So we're going to do a free consult. And the reason we need to do that is I need to figure out what's your underlying skin like. What are your goals? Like, is it to look good at the beach? Is it to, maybe you're like me and you're in your 40s and you're like, oh my gosh, like I need to anti-age in addition to this acne journey. Like, how do you combine those without waging chemical warfare on your face? So we're going to have a conversation about that. So that would be step one. And there is a link in the description to work with me. So it's a Google form. It just comes to me. Make sure you give me some way to reach out to you. It could be a phone number if you're comfortable. It could be an email. Put your social media like tag so I can find you, because the thing about YouTube, we can't private message each other on YouTube. It's like in the comments or nothing. So be sure to give me a way to reach out, or reach out to me. That's fine too. You can find me on social media. But set up that free consult. That's the first step that we're going to do. The second thing, during that consult, I'm going to ask you what your budget's going to be. Okay. I am not somebody who's just going to sell you a bunch of stuff to like sell you. I'm going to give you what I honestly think is a regimen that is going to clear up your skin. And I would say though, if you're wanting kind of like a ballpark ahead of time, I would say like if you're a teenager, I could clear up your skin with about $50 to $75 in a budget, okay? Just depending on what you have going on. If you wanted to go really basic, it would be closer to just $50, right? For good products that are gentle, that are gonna help clear up skin. If you're someone who's like early to late 20s, not super worried about aging, just wants like adult acne products and like a new regimen, I would say, $60 to $100 is probably gonna be your thing. And if you're someone who is like, I'm doing this once and for all, I want to not only clear up my skin, I want to work, down the road on some things. But I also have aging that I've got fine lines. I've got forehead lines. Like, what am I doing about those? And all of that is going to be $100 plus, just depending on, and I'll give you options. You're going to be able to pick and choose and work with what's right in your budget. And I'm going to be cool with whatever it is that you decide. I'm just so passionate and excited when I can help someone clear up their skin. Like, honestly, just the after photo is the reward. So I want to help you with that. The third thing that happens is we can set up either weekly or bi-weekly check-ins or every 3 weeks, whatever your schedule allows. They can be quick. They could just be over text. They could be over voice snippets. And it's just like, hey, how are the products working for you? Do we need to adjust something? And one of the cool things, and this is why I'm such a big believer in the product line that I work with, which is Mary Kay, we have a product satisfaction guarantee. So if you try whatever program it is that I like customize design for you and it's not right, it doesn't cost me or you anything to switch products out, try things for a couple weeks or a month or however long we need to try them, and then tweak and make that adjustment. So that's really cool. So we're going to kind of do those check-ins just to make sure things are progressing in the right direction. And then the last thing is we 6 to 9 months down the road, we're going to do a second consult. Okay. And what we do during that one, again, it's just a phone or Zoom, is I want to know, now that we've kind of cleared up your skin, is there something we want to work on afterwards, right? Because we're going to continue to manage the acne because acne never goes away. We manage it. But maybe you have acne scarring. Maybe you want to work with some retinol. Maybe you have like some texture from just like, pitting and scarring and things like that. So we can kind of work on those things too. And then, just kind of continue the relationship as it's beneficial for you. Okay. So that's what working with me would look like. So again, if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and click on the link that's in my description. Otherwise, I hope the tips that I gave you today bless you, give you at least a starting point, maybe some things to kind of tweak and try. Um, yeah, and it's really just the beginning. I know so many things about so many products and how they work, and whether they're touted for acne or not. A lot of things do help dissolve bacteria, strengthen your barrier, retain moisture. Like there's just so many great ingredients and products that I've been working with for the last 21 years with Mary Kay. I know the product line so well that I'm going to know how it's going to work for your unique things that you want to clear up about your skin. So I hope this blesses you, and thanks for watching.